What's up, bull market bully fam? You already know the vibes. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the market one bull at a time. Today we're talking about one of the hottest names in crypto, Solana. Is it the Ethereum killer it's hyped up to be, or just another passing trend? Stick around because we're diving into the tech, the potential, and of course the risks you need to know. Before we jump in, smash that like button, drop a comment on what you think about Solana, and don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the game. Alright, so let's start with the fundamentals. Solana, ticker symbol SOL, is a high-performance blockchain that's making waves for its speed and low costs. Think of it as Ethereum, but on steroids. Launched in 2020, Solana was built for scalability. It can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second, which blows Ethereum's current capabilities out of the water. And guess what? It does all this while keeping transaction fees crazy low, like fractions of a penny. That's a game changer for decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming. Now here's the sauce that sets Solana apart: its unique proof of history mechanism. Instead of traditional proof of work or proof of stake, Solana timestamps transactions before they even hit the chain. This means the blockchain doesn't just work faster, it works smarter. Combine that with its scalability and you've got a platform that developers love. You've probably heard of big NFT projects like Degenerate Apes. Yeah, they blew up thanks to Solana's tech. Yo, quick pause. If you're feeling this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. You don't want to miss any of these deep dives. Let's keep it going. But hold up. No investment is without its risks. Solana has had some high-profile network outages in the past year, which raised concerns about its reliability. Plus, as fast as it is, it's still competing with Ethereum's dominance and other challengers like Cardano and Avalanche. And remember, the crypto market is volatile, so only invest what you're willing to lose. So is Solana worth your time and money? It's got the tech, the adoption, and the hype. But whether it's a long-term play depends on how it tackles those network issues and competes in this crowded space. Keep an eye on it, but always do your own research. Alright, bull market bully fam, that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, show some love. Like this video, comment your thoughts on Solana, and hit that subscribe button to join the fam. Stay sharp, stay bullish, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.